And sa pagmamahal, hindi po pwedeng mag-manipulate because in love there is freedom. May mga taong gumagamit talaga ng pain nila para mag-control or mag-manipulate ng iba. So they will create pain that are non-existent upang mahulog ka sa kanilang trap, and you will think that you are needed wherever they are, and they will manipulate you until you believe that it's only you who can take away that pain. This is what we call in medicine factitious disorder, where they're using their pain to get your attention. Gagawa sila ng sakit-sakitan or pain so that they can get your full attention towards them. For example, gusto mong pumunta sa isang party at partner mo siya at sasabihin niya, huwag ka munang pumunta kasi sumasakit yung puson ko. So, marami kang hindi magagawa dahil they will manifest pain in their body na hindi naman talaga nangyayari. And because they are KSP or kulang sa pansin, when you have your attention on others, they will try to manipulate you by taking your attention sa paggawa ng kanilang sarilang pain na hindi naman talaga existent. So be careful, these people don't love you but they are attention seekers. And sa pagmamahal, hindi po pwedeng mag-manipulate because in love there is freedom.